The Dominican Republic marked a milestone recently with the official opening of its new embassy offices in Kingston, Jamaica. The event comes as the two countries celebrate 60 years of diplomatic relations. Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, Senator Kamina Johnson Smith, joined Ambassador Angie Martínez and members of the diplomatic corps to inaugurate the new offices of the Dominican Republic Embassy, now located at the Proven Building on Gladstone Drive in Kingston. The embassy has relocated from its former home at 85 Hope Road, ushering in what officials describe as a new chapter in bilateral relations. Ambassador Martínez attributed the successful opening of the new embassy to her staff.
They are my heart, my embassy team. Really, what will I do without you? Absolutely nothing. You are the backbone of this mission. From the heavy lifting on the move to the finer details that make this place shine, your teamwork, creativity, and boundless energy have made this moment possible.
Minister Johnson Smith hailed the event as a timely and symbolic occasion.
This event marks more than the opening of a new physical space. It is an affirmation of the Dominican Republic's enduring commitment to deepening its friendship and engagement with Jamaica. We reflect positively on the fact that the Dominican Republic has maintained a physical presence here in Jamaica for as early as 1967 at various levels, with the embassy having operated consistently since 1999, dedicated service from successive ambassadors over the decades.
The inauguration also marked the closing chapter of Ambassador Martínez's tenure in Jamaica. Ambassador Martínez left an indelible mark during her tenure, which incidentally was her first assignment as an ambassador. She began her mission in Jamaica on May 7, 2021, in the midst of the COVID pandemic, which shuttered the world. During her tenure, she worked at creating a reciprocal commercial exchange between Jamaica and the Dominican Republic.
Since my appointment as ambassador of the Dominican Republic to this beautiful island of Jamaica, my sight was set on creating a new era in commercial, trade, and investment landscape in Jamaica.
She also facilitated significant investments from big Dominican Republic companies. She has also encouraged Jamaican companies to deepen their presence in the Dominican Republic.
May the flags of the Dominican Republic and Jamaica always fly side by side. May our voices rise in harmony. May the legacy of this shared journey inspire generations to come. May the story we wrote together in these years continue louder, bolder, and brighter. Gracias, Jamaica, desde el fondo de mi corazón.